Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. I've been really down lately. Like, genuinely. School stress, home stress, overthinking everything. Some days I don't even feel like talking to anyone. But then I open this app, I see comments, I see support, I see y'all joking, hyping me up, believing in me. I read your comments daily for hours, and suddenly, it doesn't feel that heavy anymore. This isn't just a channel for me, it's a family. It's the only place where I feel like myself without being judged. Y'all don't know how much you guys mean to me. When I'm quiet, when I'm tired, when I'm low, this community is what keeps me going. So if you're watching this and you've ever smiled because of my video, then drop a like and a subscribe. Because right now, y'all are the reason I'm still smiling at all. And I'll never forget that, even when I'm like 60 years old.